Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Alright, I know the camera is blurry, but listen to what I'm about to tell you. It's a tutorial, a short tutorial on how to claim your airdrop as fast as you can, because the price of friend token, okay, those points that you got, you have to cash them out quickly, otherwise the price is dropping like hell. There's a lot of pressure of selling those because everybody is waiting, and it's a congestion, it's a huge traffic in the base network, and the confirmations and all that are taking very long. I mean, you have to wait few hours until you get your airdrop in your wallet, and from the wallet sell them for Ethereum and send them out, because you never know. This congestion from the website, the application on the phone may get blocked and you may lose your balance. All right, so hurry up and cash out. It's an urgent thing, and that's the point. The thing is like this. Okay, you will get to this point. Let me show you the picture of it. It goes in here and you will get to this point. The thing is this: press on your application on your phone, probably, right? Most likely you have it on the phone. You go on airdrop, click on claim, okay, and you will get to this point, okay, that you probably you complete already following 10 people, 10 accounts of Twitter, all right, but you have to join a club. The problem is there are so many expensive clubs, and still if you buy the key, you have to buy a key in there. Some of them, they're very late in approving you to get in there. So the second thing it's in here, it will take first, they let you sell quickly your 10%, but the 90% of your points, you have to claim them as soon as possible and sell them as soon as possible. Because I saw the chart, and imagine when I started, it was $3.50, and I waited so long and I was so panicky, I sold them for $1.50. There is a pressure of selling these things. So you get in there, join a club, and joining a club, you go on those chats, okay, and you go search, click on your search button and click on the button clubs, okay, and do not go for these fight club and all that. They're very expensive. You have to go for low cheap clubs, and I will list you about 5 or 6 of them, which it took me about 2.5 hours, 3 hours to get approved in one of them. I don't know in which. I paid 6 of them, okay, 6 small keys, and I followed them. And I don't know how I got approved, and I moved to the next level, okay, and I got my tokens. I got 211. First I sold the 21 pieces, and then I got the rest, and I sold them at $1.50. You have to hurry, do your own research. If you want to keep them, but my advice, sell them, and you buy them back in the future if you think that this pressure of selling will go away, because the developers will sell, and the VCs, the venture capitalists, which they invested early, they will sell like crazy. There's a huge fight for them to sell as soon as possible because the price is very juicy, okay? So again, go on that search on clubs. Remember, press the button, not on people. You go on clubs, and on the clubs, go search, and remember, one it's Jinon, Jinon, another one it's Panda that I bought, another one it's Alan Greenspan. I will put them in the description. Another one was yaaah, yaaah, I got in there. Another one was pawSwap, in one word. I will spell them for you. And another one was Pac Sam. All right, so I will tell you to buy the keys of these guys. They're cheap, dirt cheap, and you will be approved in few hours. okay, in one of them, and when pay attention to the button, refresh your page all the time, and you will see that whenever the button lights up that you did join the club and it's complete, okay, because if it's incomplete, it doesn't help you. When it gets complete, boom, they release your all tokens. Boom, you sell them immediately. That's what I did. That's what I'm advising you to do. It's not financial advice, but it's an advice of pressure. So do as you want. Join these clubs, and I will give them to you on the in the description. All right. So that's kind of it for this tutorial. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a profitable day.